Okay.
Is it recording?
I guess so.
I don't see the red light going.
See it?
No, you can't really see in the daylight.
Okay.
You have a little triangle?
Yeah.
Okay, you're going. You're going.
Alright. So now what?
Have the baby? Wait, we don't have much battery life. We're going to keep our diapers on, huh? Here we go. We're going into the water. Here we go. You ready? Woo! Woo! Oh, no, no, no.
Hold it up against your chest.
Okay.
It's okay, I got you. I got you, Daddy's got you. George, you're the little baby. Hi there. It's okay, I got you. Yeah. It's a little cold, I know. There, there. Yeah, there. It's okay. It's okay. There, there. There we go. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. I won't let your head get wet. Don't worry. There, there. Yeah. It's just like a bath. Yeah. Yeah, it's just like a bath.
The bath's a lot warmer.
Hi.
This is my first time in the pool and I don't like it.
They're just getting used to it now.
Yeah, it's a little cold, I know. It's a little different, huh? It's a little bit different. Whoop. Breathe. I'm sorry. It's okay. There, there. Yeah, see? It's not so bad. There's Sandy over there. There's Mom.